How to make money on TapSwap crypto airdrop is what I am talking to you about in this video. The world of cryptocurrencies presents numerous opportunities for making money, and one of the most popular ways is to get free crypto. To get free crypto is through airdrops. Airdrops reward users with free tokens for completing certain tasks, and TapSwap is a platform offering one such lucrative opportunity. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make money with TapSwap crypto airdrop, explaining everything from the basics of what an airdrop is to strategies for maximizing your earnings. What is TapSwap? TapSwap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies quickly and easily. Like many crypto platforms, TapSwap uses an airdrop system to attract users and distribute its native tokens called TapSwap tokens (TAP). These tokens can better be used within the platform or traded on exchanges, allowing participants to make real money. How does a crypto airdrop work? For those who are new to crypto airdrop, I need to let you know how a crypto airdrop works before I now go into details of how to make money with TapSwap. A crypto airdrop is a promotional event. Pay attention to that. It's a promotional event. There are many people that have tried to refer on a physical level. They are wondering, how will they make money? What is the purpose? Why will they just give money like that? Now, please pay attention. It is promotional. So when you take part in the promotion, you are rewarded with the coin of the promoters. So a crypto airdrop is a promotional event where a platform gives away free tokens to users in exchange for performing specific tasks. These tasks can range from joining social media channels to sharing the project with friends, holding specific tokens, or using the platform in one way or the other. Please like this video. The goal of airdrops is to increase awareness and get more users engaged with the project. For participants, it's a way to accumulate free tokens, which can often increase in value once the token is listed on exchanges. Now, let me take you through the step-by-step guide on how to make money with TapSwap airdrop. If you want to make money with TapSwap airdrop, follow these simple steps to maximize your earnings from the TapSwap airdrop. The first thing you need to do is to sign up on TapSwap airdrop project. Make sure to provide accurate details to ensure eligibility to the airdrop. For TapSwap, you don't need to provide any details per se because already your details are on Telegram. So TapSwap gets your username from Telegram because it is linked to Telegram. So for those who want to take part, you have to have a phone that has internet access, a good phone that has a good memory, that has a good storage. Then also the phone must have Telegram. So you can use the link in the description section of this video to join TapSwap now. So go to the description section of this video. The link, my referral link for you to join TapSwap is there. Click it and directly it will take you to Telegram, and from there you click start and then you are on TapSwap. After you join TapSwap, what do you need to do? There are different tasks that you are going to do on the app. So you try and do as many of the tasks as possible. Some of the tasks we ask you to join TapSwap social media, then you get points for that, you get scores for that. A common requirement for many airdrops is to follow the project's social media accounts. You join TapSwap Telegram, you join them on Twitter, join them on their different social media accounts. For every join you do, you are going to get points that is going to be used to make you money on the project. Then you can also make money on TapSwap by inviting friends. You will ask to invite friends. Now, in this video, I've left the referral link of my own TapSwap so that when you click it, you join TapSwap and then I have invited you. I will get points for that. So when you invite your friend on your social media angle, tell your friends about it and invite them. So some airdrops offer additional rewards for referring new users to the platform, and TapSwap is one of them. So invite your friends using your unique referral link, and you could make or earn bonus TapSwap tokens. Then hold specific cryptos. Certain airdrops require you to hold specific cryptocurrencies like Toncoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT in your wallet during a snapshot period. Make sure to check if TapSwap has any such requirements. TapSwap have been around for a few months now, I think for more than 4 months. And in the next few months, people that have been on the project are hoping that they are going to be listed, and then by then they can cash out. So this is a good time for you to join, and as you join now, you can also make good money at the end of the day. Please like this video. The next thing you need to do to make money on TapSwap is to participate in community activities. TapSwap may offer additional tasks like engaging in community discussions, retweeting announcements, or joining trading competitions. Be sure to stay active in their community for extra rewards. Wait for the token distribution. Many people have seen people on Hamster Combat, for example. I'll also leave the link to my own Hamster Combat in the description section of this video, and the link to other crypto airdrops that you can join. Many people do not wait for token distribution. Somebody said his phone got bad. Somebody said his phone was stolen. Somebody said this, and because of that, they could not continue. And even some people were even discouraged. TapSwap have been around for 4 months, they have not listed. Some came for 2 months, they listed. Because of the delay, they leave the TapSwap. You don't need to do that. You have to wait for token distribution. After completing the task, TapSwap will distribute your earned Tap tokens depending on the platform rules. You may receive the tokens in phases or all at once. Hold or trade your Tap tokens. Once the tokens are in your wallet, you have two options. Number one is to hold. When you hold, you wait for the token value to rise. Many users make significant profits by holding tokens long term. The next thing you need to do is to trade or sell your tokens immediately once they have listed on exchanges for a quick profit. Research and market timing are key if you plan to trade. Now, how do you maximize your profit or earning on TapSwap? Here are a few tips to help you make the most of the TapSwap airdrop. The first one is to stay active. Participate in additional tasks that could unlock more tokens. Some people just do the normal things. In fact, there's somebody I referred to Hamster Combat. Throughout, he was in silver. And other people I referred, some went from silver is like level 2. Some went up to level 11, level 12, level 13, while that individual was on level or silver. And by the time money are going to be paid, he is going to receive very little token. So you have to stay active and participate. Tasks that you see that looks difficult that people are not doing, you do them, and then you are going to be good to go. The next thing you need to do is to diversify. Don't limit yourself to just one airdrop. You need to participate in multiple crypto airdrops to increase your chances of earning substantial profits. Let me tell you, sometimes you may look at an airdrop that is promising. At the end of the day, it may not be it may list, or what you can get from it may not be as promising as you expect. But at least you've learned something. But there are other ones that may not even look promising and that will pay very well. So that's why you don't do just one. Nobody can precisely say this is what this crypto is going to be worth. When Bitcoin started, it was less than $1. Today, Bitcoin is in the range of $60,000. So I have a list of crypto airdrops and their links in the description section of this video for you to use to join. Then you need to stay informed. Follow TapSwap's social media and newsletters to stay updated on the latest airdrop announcements, on their bonus rewards and trading competitions. Also follow my channel, this very YouTube channel, for more information on TapSwap and other businesses. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and also offline. So use a referral system. You need to get your friends involved and see and use referral bonuses to earn extra tokens. So when you refer your friends, you yourself are going to earn tokens. So you refer them and then they are going to be happy also because of the opportunity you are giving to them to earn. Now, the following are the risks you need to consider when you are on TapSwap crypto airdrop. Number one is value fluctuations. The value of airdrop tokens can rise or fall drastically after they are listed on exchanges. Timing your trades is crucial. The next thing is you need to avoid, or that the risk you need to avoid is scams. Scammers are everywhere, both online and offline. So you need to know how to guide your money and to guide your purse and to guide your wallet. Always participate in legitimate airdrops like TapSwap. Some fake airdrops can ask for your private keys or lead to phishing scams. Never share your private wallet keys with anyone. Now, on this channel, I will investigate before I inform you of any, I'll give you any information or I make any video, I will investigate. Now, making money with TapSwap crypto airdrop is a simple and effective way to earn free tokens in the crypto world. By following the steps outlined above and staying engaged with the platform, you can take advantage of this opportunity and potentially increase your crypto earnings. Remember, airdrops like TapSwap provide a great way to grow your crypto portfolio with minimal effort. They also are a great way for you to make money. Dr. Olubengade Titun is my name, and I bring you content on how to make money both online and offline on this channel. Please like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this channel, and this video that is popping up by the side is the next you need to see now. Use my referral link below to join TapSwap and other crypto airdrops. I will see you in the next one. If you have any questions or any comments or anything you want me to do for you, or you want me to advise you on anything on how to make money or any other aspect of life, let me know in the comment section below and I will be there to respond. I will see you in the next one. Please go ahead and watch this video popping up by the side from my channel. Bye bye.